Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to create a Python file within a project folder in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I have Visual Studio Code open and this is my project folder in which I am going to show you how to create a Python file. Make sure that your project folder is selected and then you click on this icon that says new file. Type the name of the file that you want to create. I am going to type hello world. Now, to ensure that the file you are creating is a Python file, you need to provide .py extension. Hit enter and your Python file will be created inside your project folder. You can write some code over here. Let's write print hello world. And now I'm going to show you how to run this hello world.py file. To do that, click on terminal and then click on new terminal. Once the terminal opens, type Python and the name of the Python file, which in this case is hello world.py. Hit enter. I forgot to save it. That's why it didn't print the output. Let's run it one more time. There you go. So once you have written your code, you need to press Ctrl S to save this file first, and then you need to run it. There is one more way to create a Python file in Visual Studio Code. But before you create file that way, you need to go to the extensions tab by clicking on this icon. In the search bar, just type Python, that's with capital P, and you are going to see this extension by Microsoft. Just install it if it is not installed already. It will take less than a minute to install. Awesome, you can see it is installed. Let's reduce the clutter by closing this window and going back to the Explorer. Now, in the main menu, click on File. And then click on new file, and here you are going to see Python file. Had you not installed the Python extension, you wouldn't have seen Python file over here as an option. Click on it and a file will be created. Here you can write your Python code. Let me write a simple print statement over here within whose brackets, within double quotes. Let me write my Python program. I couldn't think of any other thing, so I came up with this string my Python program. So once you have written your code, just press Ctrl S to save it. You can see it is asking me to save this file into the same project folder. You can rename the file as you want. Let me name it as my Python and click on save. And there you go. My Python.py has been created within the same project folder. Now you can simply run it by clicking on this play button that says run Python file. There you go. It has printed my Python program. And this is another way to run Python file in Visual Studio Code. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a Python file in Visual Studio Code from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.